Hi there, it's Janice Thompson from JazzleDazzleCraft.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I live and work in Scotland. So today I am showing you another project made with this beautiful paper pack from Celebration. So our celebration runs from the 5th of January to the 28th of February, and in this book you can choose free items for every £45 you spend in an order. So it's fantastic. If you want to know more, just ask me and I will update you with all the information. This is one of the free packs of paper. This is half of it. So I'm giving, there's two of each double-sided sheet. I'm just letting you have a quick look. Beautiful Rococo Rose, Night of Navy, Old Olive, Soft Seafoam. Just gorgeous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm missing one. What? One missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is another pattern somewhere. I just don't know where it is. Got that one. Got that one. I think it's this one, and I don't have a full sheet of it left because I'll be using it, I think. Oh, that's odd. But yeah, that'll do. I don't know where I've chopped it up, that's why, because it's what I'm using just now. So I've chopped up both sheets. So yeah. Anyway, so what I've got here, I've got this for my sentiment. I've got this Heal Your Heart. This is also free with a £45 spend. So really great, what do you call them? Sentiments. Wishing I could heal your heart. Thank you. I just love the script. We're in this together. How appropriate is that for this time? Sorry for your loss. I hope I don't have to use that again, but hey. Right, so, and I've cut bits because I want this to be quite quick. So I've cut a piece of I've got a card base of Night of Navy. I've cut see, this is beautiful too. I did make cards with that in the video, in the live video yesterday. Yeah, so I've cut that to 10.1 centimetre by 14.4 centimetre. If you don't use those measurements, then you can work that out. I think there's a Google thing that you can check what the measurements would be in your, if you use inches. Right, so I'm just going to stick this straight to the card base, which is half a sheet of A4 folded in half and then, or cut in half and then folded in half, or folded in half and then cut in half, whichever way round you want to do that. So I've deliberately trimmed it so that I've got this beautiful big flower in the middle, and so I've got a scrap that where I've got this flower, so I'm going to fussy cut that out. I did start just so the video won't go on for too long. So oops, I'm trying to leave a small white border around, but I'm not terribly good at that. Don't know if I'm needing new specs or what. I don't know whether to just cut that. We'll just cut the stalk then. We might not need it all, but we'll. I think we might just run into trouble if we try to chop it off too short. So I haven't worked this out. I just kind of got the bits together and then thought I'll film it. Sorry, I should be keeping this in your view. I'm trying to keep this short. So I hope everyone's enjoying Celebration. Obviously, if you're watching this after February the 28th, 2021 celebration will be finished. However, I believe we're having another one in June with completely different products for sale, so that was exciting. I'll keep you posted. So let's see, I got this pack of paper free, so I'm going to make the best use of it. I'm still making thank you cards. I need thank you cards for all sorts of, I need customer thank you cards. I need, still got thank you to say for some of my Christmas gifts. I am selling some things on eBay, so I like to pop a thank you card, some retired products actually, and personal things. I like to put a thank you card in with my, you know, when I post out anything that anyone's bought. And I also want to say thank you to my amazing team, and yeah, so thank you is required all round for everybody. So there we go, I've fussy cut that out, not too much fuss. Put the bits out of the way, and we'll stamp the sentiment and then we'll work it out. I've got a piece of Whisper White for lining inside. I'm just going to use Night of Navy here. So I have already mounted up the thank you sentiment from the Heal Your Heart set, which again, as I said, is free. So thank you. You do, if this was personal thank you to someone, you know, who'd done something or who's supportive of you, I don't know what I would do without you. Would go inside, but as this is just general thank you, I'm not going to pop that in my card. So my sentiment, I think, is going to go there, and then I'm going to just let the petals of that come over the top. So probably, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to adhere this first. So I'm going to glue I use my Tombow because I've got room, slip room there, and some dimensionals. I'm going to pop them more to the middle because that's not my best move, but so that I've got room to get that stalk underneath. So just pop these there. Actually, just going to put that centrally. And then, right, so what I need to do, I want to get a bit of shape on these petals. So I'm just using the blade of my scissors. You could use your bone folder, it's just what I've got in the habit of doing, and then I just press that down. The heat of my hand warms the paper a wee bit and gives us all some shape. So just a bit of glue there and on the stalk. And what we'll do is we'll feed the stalk through. Just hold it down where you want it to be. Oops, that wasn't supposed to happen. take one of these from Frosted and Clear Epoxy Droplets. They're in the annual catalogue towards the back. I'm just going to take one of the big ones and pop it right in the middle of the flower, and then I'm going to take two small ones. I think just pop one there, one there. Okay, and then I've got some scraps from chopping up, so I could do that, but these are from other cards that I made. I keep my scraps, so I'm just going to pop some glue just to decorate the inside a wee bit. And then just trim off the excess. And all these bits will get used up on other cards, and then I'm just going to pop this on the inside of my card. Oops. There we go. One thank you card. So thank you very much for coming and watching this today, and please subscribe, please press the bell icon so you get notified if I'm coming on again. Please share this with anyone that you think might be interested in craft videos, card making, paper crafting that I do. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Bye bye.